the Quartet glass dry erase whiteboard for your computer desktop. It looks and is the size of a computer keyboard. And I have mine in between my keyboard and my monitor. So it's just this one thing, and it's a whiteboard. It's glass, and I have it right here in front of me. I have one in front of me here and one down in the office, and I can just write on it if I have little notes, like while we're podcasting or while I'm on the phone or whatever, and it just stays right there. Super convenient. It actually, like, the reason I have it in the studio is it really allows me to focus on the show better, because when something comes to mind, like you guys are talking or whatever, one of you is talking and says something and it triggers like a thought. It's like, oh, I want to make sure I mention this. Well, if I don't write it on my Quartet board, then I've stopped listening to everything you're saying and I'm just waiting to speak. It's the human condition. So,
and then when you're ready to speak, it's gone.
It's gone. Correct. Yeah. Also that. Yeah, exactly. So I use this whiteboard primarily for that, but in the office I use it for other things. Like if I'm on the phone with somebody, I just write stuff down and then I can process it afterwards. So it's like $30, $28 today on Amazon. So put a link to that in the show notes too. So